Lately, hast thou been more weary, even before those closest to thee? Thou hast endured as much as thou couldst, yet the wounds keep piling up, and thou art confused about what true love is. In truth, God hath already answered this in His Word, written thousands of years ago. What love is, and how the Lord restores relationships that have been broken. We often misunderstand enduring as a sign of weakness, yet the Word of God saith that enduring is the first aspect of love, being kind, not envying, not boasting. These are the things that only those who walk with the Lord can do. If thou desirest to endure a little more for someone today, that heart already beareth the strongest love, the very love God hath shown to thee. The place where relationships start to break is often the same: when thou must be right, when thou must win, and when thou startest to list the wrongs of others in thy heart. The Word of God pointeth this out. True love is putting aside thy desires, not being easily provoked, and keeping no record of others' wrongs. The way the Lord saveth relationships, ultimately here, choosing to protect the heart he hath joined rather than winning. There is one thing that many people miss. Sometimes when others are proven wrong, we feel a strange sense of satisfaction. But when being right becometh more important than the relationship, the heart hath already started to lean away from love. The Word of God pointeth to a different way. Instead of gloating over others' mistakes, rejoice together in the truth. Love is not a fight over right and wrong, but a walking together toward the truth of God. The Word of God describeth the last aspect of love as follows: It beareth all things, believeth all things, hopeth all things, and endureth all things. It is not a pleasant slogan. Even after being hurt, even after being betrayed, even after being disappointed, it is the will to enter that relationship again. Love is not a feeling, but a choice. This is the very love the Lord poureth into us, and it hath endured for thousands of years, and liveth still today. Then, how can we live out the Word of God today? We do not need to aim for grand reconciliation. Just for today, try putting aside the list of wrongs thou hast accumulated in thy heart, and instead, recall one good memory. That is the start. The Lord restores relationships not by one grand event, but by the small choices we make every day. Today, one step is enough. Knowledge shall one day fade, and excellent judgment shall eventually disappear. But the Word of God declareth clearly that love alone never faileth, for God Himself is love. Love thou hast shared on this earth shall remain far longer than any ability thou hast built, or any achievement thou hast attained. When relationships are wearying and exhausting, just remember this: love is not weak, it is the strongest power of God that standeth even in the most broken of places. Love is not a feeling, but a choice. Enduring, putting aside thy desires, keeping no record of others' wrongs, and protecting the hearts God hath joined, until the end. Today give this choice to one person beside thee, as the Lord hath first loved thee. If there is someone who needeth this story, share this video with them, and subscribe to Secret Bible, and give us a like.